Let's solve a set operations problem involving intersection and union of sets. We are given three sets. Set A, which contains the elements 2, 3, and 4, set B, which contains 1, 2, and A, and set C, which contains 2, A, and B. We need to find A intersection B union C. Let's solve this step by step using Venn diagrams. First, let's find B union C. Here's a Venn diagram showing sets B and C. Let's fill in the elements. The union of B and C includes all elements that are in either B or C. So B union C equals the set containing 1, 2, A, and B. Now that we have B union C, let's find its intersection with A. Here's a new Venn diagram showing set A, and the result of B union C. Let's fill in the elements. The intersection will include only the elements that appear in both A and B union C. Looking at our sets, we can see that 2 is the only element that appears in both A and B union C. Therefore, A intersection B union C equals the set containing only the element 2. This is our final answer.